Hello, hi, my dear students. How are you? How is your studies going on? Myself, Desai sir, S.M.Desai sir. I'm a mathematics teacher of Sarmala English Medium School, Dharwad. I think by this time you completed two preparatory examination papers, and you must have already understood your mistakes and correct them. And in my this video, I will cover those questions appeared in the model preparatory examination papers of both the papers in my next video. So today, in the first video, we studied completed pair of linear equations in two variables, graphical method of solving 4 marks question. I hope you must have solved both in the preparatory exams clearly. And triangles, the same theorem, triple A criteria was appeared. I hope you solved it correctly. In circles, theorems on tangents, we discussed the question appeared in the exam, and we were discussing polynomials. Up to this, we completed in our first video. Today, I will continue with the polynomials, a few more problems. I think 13 problems we completed. Then today, I will cover statistics and problems of proving irrational numbers, one of the important topic in real numbers, and solving pair of linear equations by elimination method, and finding nth term of an EP, and finding sum of n term of an EP, few problems. Okay, without wasting time, let us start the problem number 14. It is a problem on the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. The problem reads like this. If alpha and beta are the two zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2, then find the value of alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. The solution involves these steps. First of all, for writing you have to write the given polynomial clearly like this. Then compare it with the standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. If you compare it with the standard form, a will be equal to 1 here because coefficient of x square is 1, and b is the coefficient of x, which is 3, and constant is 2. And also you can get that what is the sum of the zeros of the polynomial alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and that is b is a minus here, 3, a is 1, therefore you get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. For this work you will get a half mark. Observe carefully the scheme of evaluation you must have in your mind. Next step you have to write is product of zeros of the polynomial is alpha into beta. You know that it is c by a. What is c in this case? 2 upon a is 1. For writing this you will get a half mark. And alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. You have to take common here. Alpha beta, if you take common, if one alpha goes outside, you are left with how many alphas? Alpha square left here. And alpha beta, if you take common, and from beta cube, one beta is outside, therefore beta square you have to write in the bracket. For this taking common, you will get a half mark. But you know only the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Therefore, you have to use a simple formula in algebra. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here a is alpha, b is beta. I will rewrite this step 3 as alpha into beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. You can apply now. Here a is alpha, that is alpha, b is beta. You will get alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. For the application of this formula, you will get a half mark. Okay, half mark. So next we will continue with the substitution of the values. Here alpha into beta value you have how much? Alpha into beta value is 2, and substitute alpha plus beta value is minus 3 square, minus 2 into alpha into beta is 2. For this substitution you will get what? Half mark. And remaining half mark will be given, the question appears for 3 marks. For a simplification, 2 into minus 3 whole square becomes a plus 9. Clearly write the steps. Minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 5s are 10. Therefore, the answer is 10. If you correctly write it, you will get full marks. And observe carefully how the marks are allotted. Many students don't know this. Therefore, I am explaining here in the video. And with this, we will move on to the next topic, that is statistics. Particularly for those students who are poor, you are asked to we suggest you to solve problems on a mean direct method, mode the formula method. Here the problem number 15. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution. Class interval 0 to 10. Frequency is 4. And here, first of all, make the columns. What all you need is class interval, first column, and frequency column. Next, you have to find out the midpoint. How do you get the midpoint? This particular column is called as class mark, or it is called as a midpoint. 4 columns are required because the formula to find mean by direct method is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So midpoint can be obtained by taking the formula lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. For example, if you take lower limit is 0 plus upper limit is 10 divided by 2, you can take it as 10 upon 2, 2 1s are, 2 5s are 5. Once you get 5, go on adding what is the class height? Class height is 10. Go on adding 10 to it. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. 30 plus 10 is 45. Go on adding 10. You will go on getting the next midpoints easily. Now you have to take the simple product. Be careful about the product. Let us take a fi xi column. 4 5s are 20. 9 into 15, 15 9s are 135. 25 into 15, 15 5s are 15, 25 5s are 125, carry 12. Then 25 are 25, 25 plus 12 is equal to what? 37, correct answer. And next one is 35 into 14, 14 5s are 70, 14 5s are 70, 0, carry 7. 14 3s are 42. 42 plus 7 is 49. 490. 45 8s are 8 5s are 40. Carry 4. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 is 36. All products are correct. Be careful while taking the product. And because for preparing this table correctly, you will get 2 marks. And if you do any mistake, you will lose the marks. Sigma means summation. Sum all of them. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 9. 16, 16 plus 7, 23, 23 plus 3, 26, 26 plus 2, 28, carry 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13, 80. Check it again. After writing it, you check it, otherwise you lose marks here. And sigma fi xi, what is the sum of all these frequencies? Add them. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 9, 26 plus 4, 30, carry 3, 50. Sum of the frequencies is 50. Divide by 50, you can cancel them. 0, 0 cancels. 5 1s are 5, 2s are 5 2s are 10. You are left with 37. 5 7s are 35. Left with 1. 5 7s are 35. Left with 3. 30. 5 6 are. Therefore, 27.6 is your mean. For correct calculation, you will get 1 mark. I hope you understood, my dear students. Remember the formula correctly to get the mean. Next one is, or find the mode of the following frequency distribution. To find mode, first of all, you have to decide modal class. What do you mean by modal class? Modal class is the class having a highest frequency. Highest frequency in this case is 3. Therefore, mark this particular column 25 to 30 as a modal class. For identification of the modal class and collecting the remember, first of all, you have to correctly by this formula, mode formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height of the class interval. Be careful. What is L stands for? Lower limit of the class interval. Lower limit of the modal class. Modal class is 25 to 30. This is the modal class. Lower limit means 25. 25. Right? You have to note down. For writing down the details is very important. If you do any mistake here, your problem will be lost. F0 means the frequency of the previous of the modal class. That is F0 is the 9. F1 is next to the frequency of next to the modal class. That is also, that is F1 is frequency of the modal class, that is 15. And F2 is frequency of the next to the model class, that is 9. Height of the class interval is 15, 20, 20 to 25. It is a height of the class interval is 5. Printed as 10 there by mistake. 5. Height of the class interval is 5. Now, for this you will get what? 1 marks. Writing formula and substitution. Check whether the formula you have written correctly. Then carefully substitute. For substitution you will get 1 mark. Simplification you will get 1 mark. Let us see. L is equal to 25. F1 is equal to 15. Write the formula first. For writing formula, correct formula, you will get half mark. Remaining half mark will be given for substitution. Like this, 1 mark will be given. F1 is how much here? F1 is 15 and F2 is, F0 is 9 and 2 into F1 is 2 into 15 minus F0 is 9, right? And F2 is also 9 into 5. And for this you will get 1 mark, second marks to get the last score. Be careful, 25 plus 15 minus 9 is 6. Observe carefully calculations. 2 into 15, 30. Observe. Minus 9, when it is added, when the same digits having same sign are added, the sign will be same, then the number should be added. Plus 9 is 18. Minus 9 is also minus 18. 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. And you can cancel it, right? 6 2s are 6 5s are. And 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Are you getting me? That is 6 5s are in the numerator, you are getting 30. 30 minus 18 is 12. You are getting 2.5. 20 plus 2.5 is 27.5. I hope you understood the method, my dear students. Again and again rewind it and study it, how the marks are allotted. Then you will be perfect. Move on to the next question, number 16. Find the mean for the following frequency table. Similar type of the problem. And OR question already solved it now. Now we'll solve the OR question here. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. That I have solved here. And first of all, you have to identify the model class. In this case, the model class is, which is the model class? We'll take the 17th question. I will discuss it later. Find the mean for the following frequency distribution. 5 to 15. 5 to 15 frequency is 2. Write the F5 now. Class interval is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. Check whether you are written correctly. The frequency is 2, 3, 5, 7, 3 correctly. Now prepare the midpoint. Lower limit plus upper limit. Lower limit is 5 year, upper limit is 15 year upon 2. 15 plus 5 is 20 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. It is the class height is 10. Therefore, you will get the first one as 10. Go on adding 10 because need not again and again add and divide it. Go on adding 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now take the product of Fi Xi because the formula to get the mean by direct method is sigma Fi Xi. You can take the product. 2 into 10 is 20. 3 into 20 is 60. 5 into 30 is 150. 7 into 40 is 280. 3 into 50 is 150. Add all of them. Sigma Fi Xi. Sigma Fi we need. What is sigma Fi? Because we need it in the formula. First of all, you have to keep the formula in mind. In the formula, we want sigma Fi Xi. Xi means the midpoint. I hope you understood clearly. And take the product of Fi Xi. 2 into 10 is 20. 20 into 30 is 60. 30 into 5 is 150. 40 into 7 is 7 4s are 28. Put a 0. 3 5s are 15. Put a 0. Add all of them. 0. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 13. 13 plus 5. 18. 18 plus 6. 24. 24 plus 2. 26. Carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Check 2 times so that for this table you will get 2 marks. Remaining calculation is very simple. Writing correct formula, half mark. Write 660 upon 20. 2 0 0 cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 3s are. Answer will be 33. For getting answer 33, will get a half mark. Now we'll take the second part, R part of it. The frequency is 5 to 10. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. This problem I have solved here. And first of all, you have to identify what is the first step, determination of model class and collection of data. What is the model class here? Highest frequency is 8. Let me mark this model class. Right? Can you tell me what is L here? L is 15. What is F0? F0 is 5. What is F1? F1 is 8. What is F2? F2 is 4. Check whether you have written it correctly. L is 15, correct. F0 is 5, correct. F1 is 8. F2 is 4. Height of the class height 5 to 10, 10 to 15 is 5. For doing this work, you will get what? Half marks. Next one is writing formula correctly as I told you. Remember again, L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. Substitute the value. For this, you will get half mark. Right? Then substitute. What is L is 15. Be careful here. F1 is how much? 8 minus F0 5 upon 2 times F1. F1 is 8. Carefully write. Minus F0. What is F0 is? F0 is 5. What is F2 is 4. Now, we'll start 15 plus 8 minus 5 is 3. Be careful. 2 8s are 16. Many students do this mistake. Minus 5 minus 4. As I told you, same sign idre eradu add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. 16 minus 9. For this substitution, you will get height is 5. Then you simplify 3. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now take the product. What do you get here? 5 3s 5 3s what do you get? 15 divided by 7. You can do now 7 2s are 14. Carry 1, 10, 7 ones are 7, isn't it? 7 2s are 14. You are getting 10, 7 ones are 7, 30 you are getting, 7 4s are 28. Therefore, answer will be up to 2 decimal places, 2.14. For this, you get a half mark. For this cancellation, you get a half mark. And writing the final answer, 15 plus 2.14 is 17.14. For writing this correct answer, you will get full marks. I hope you understood, my dear students. It's a very easy method. Practice it and again see it. Move on to the next question. Find the mean of the following distribution table. Again, another problem. Try to understand. 5 to 15, frequency you check 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. Many students do mistake while noting down the values from the question paper in their answer sheets. You have to prepare this table. For preparing table, you will get 2 marks. 5 to 15. What is the class height is? Class height is 10. Midpoint will be 15, 5 again plus 15 divided by 2. You get 20 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Therefore, midpoint will be 10. Next, you need not calculate. Go on adding the class height 20, 30, 40, 50. Take the product of Fi, Xi. You have to make 4 columns like this. 1 into 10 is 10. 3 2s are 6. 0, 60. 5 3s are 15, 1 0, 0. 4 4s are 16, put a 0. 2 5s are 10, 0. Add all of them, 0. Second, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 1, 18, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Don't make any hurry. After calculation, again and again you check it and move on to the next one, because your answer depends on it. Any mistake, you will get 0 here. Be careful to score 2 marks. Then as usual, for writing the formula, sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi will get half mark. You take 480 upon 35. Check whether it is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3 because some of the digits is 6 and 12. You can cancel now. You can take 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 6 are 3 1s are 3, 18, 3 6 are 18, 0. Again divided 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are. Your answer is 2. Learn this cancellation and final answer 32. For getting this, you will get full marks. That completes the 18th problem on finding mean and that completes the statistics. Today we will move on to the second part of our target plan, 40 plus plan. Proving irrational number and solving pair of linear equations by elimination method. I am dealing in this session today, and in the next video I will continue again finding nth term of an EP, arithmetic progression, finding sum of n term of an AP, right? So you'll quickly move on to the first problem. Next problem, proving irrational number. Okay, problem number 19 we will start now. Appeared in the exam model paper. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Right? For writing correct definition, you will get 1 mark. The keywords are every composite number of the keyword can be expressed as a product of primes. This is a keyword. They will check keywords and give the marks. If the keywords are missing, you will not get marks. And this factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors occur. This is the perfect statement of the definition. You have to make it perfect. Okay, let us move on to the 20th problem. Most commonly definitely asked question, even in the preparatory also. In both the preparatories you have got problems based on this type. Prove that 2 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, let us start now. First step is let us assume that 2 plus root 5 is a rational number. For this you will get half mark. Such proofs is called as contradictory proofs. In the geometry we are using it. Then writing 2 plus root 5 as a rational number and rearranging it. Let us assume that 2 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. Remember, a by b are co-prime and b is not equal to 0. You have to mention it. Very, very important. They should not have common factors. Means co-prime. Co-prime means they should not have common factors. Then rearranging. Take this 2 to the right side, so that root 5 will be left in the left side. A by b minus 2 will come on the right side. For this you will get how many marks? Half mark. Then take LCM. Many of you mistake in taking LCM. How it is? Now observe, a minus 2b, sorry, this one is a by b. I have seen in many students doing the mistake here. They will take this 2 to the right. Whenever it is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, plus 2 becomes what? Minus 2. Then they will not take LCM. You have to take the LCM here. What is LCM? B. Common errors students are doing mistake. 1 into B. Isn't it? A minus 2B. If you write it correctly, you will get the correct half marks. Remember, many students do mistakes. Right? Be careful how to, you have to take LCM like this and write, and the conclusion will be, observe that root 5 is irrational and a minus 2b upon b will be a rational number, because b is not equal to 0, rational number. For writing this you will get half mark, and you have to write conclusion without a fail. But a rational number can never be equal to a rational number. So this is impossible. Therefore our assumption that root 5 is 2 plus root 5 is we assumed that 2 plus root 5 is rational. And we assumed it. Now our assumption is wrong. So therefore 2 plus root 5 is irrational. First of all, assume that 2 plus root 5 is rational, and then we disproved our assumption that it is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. When it is not rational, it must be what? Irrational. Logically, like this you have to prove. This is called as a logical proof of it. Okay, let us see next problem. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Again we have to proceed with the contradictory proof. First step, carefully observe the steps. Let root 5 is a irrational number. Assuming that root 5 is a rational number is the assumption. And write root 5 as a by b, and a and b do not have common factors. Very important key point. This is the key point you have to write. B is not equal to 0. For this you will get half mark. Right? Let root 5 be a rational number. Let us assume. This is a contradictory proof like we did in the 20th problem before. Now next step is squaring on both sides and rearranging. If you square root 5, you will get what? 5. Square a by b, you get what? A square upon b square. Take b square to the left. You will get what? 5b square is equal to a square. Observe here. If you take 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Right? For writing this step, you will get half mark. Very important thing now. See, Do you think this particular 5 divides 20? Yes, 5 divides 20, we write it as 5 divides 20, right? There is a theorem that, right, if A divides B square, that implies A divides B also. This is a theorem you studied in the theory class. 5 divides A square as well as A. This is the third step of it, right? 5 divides A square, that is 5 divides A. This is the key step. Let us third step you observe carefully, and means what? 5 is a factor of A. Next, and whenever 5 divides A, see 5 divides 20 means there will be a constant K such that 5 into K will be 20. Means 5 divides A means A can be written as 5 into some constant K. That is the definition of the divisibility. 5 divides A. Whenever I write vertical line, it means that divides A is equal to 5K. K is an integer, 5K. For writing very important step, you will get a half mark. It will appear actually 3 marks, and sometimes they will ask for 2 marks. Actually, we discussed in the workshop that this question should be appeared for 3 marks. Okay, no problem. And you write the correct answer. Now substituting A value. Observe, in equation step 2, we got 5B square is equal to A square. You substitute A is equal to 5K obtained in the second step. What do you get here? That 5B square becomes equal to 5K whole square. Right? Now 5K whole square. 5K whole square becomes what? 5K whole square. This 5K whole square will be 5 square is 25, K square. Are you getting me? And take this 5 to the right, you will get B square is equal to 25 K square upon 5. Because you are taking this 5 to the right now, it will come to the denominator. 5 ones are 5 5s are. What you are getting? B square is equal to 5K square. See, when B square is equal to 5K square means, and 5 divides what? B square. When 5 divides B square, then 5 divides what? B. This is the first important thing. This is the second important thing. Observe these things carefully that I have marked here. We assumed that A and B are co-primes. Means what? A and B do not have common factors. Observe that 5 divides A, 5 divides B we proved in the step 3 and step 4. And A and B have at least 5 as a common factor. They should not have common factor. Now we established that they have the common factor. But this contradicts the fact that A and B are not co-prime. They have the common divisor 5. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 5 is irrational number. I hope you understood the logic behind it. So, practice these steps again and again. Right? You will get the full marks. Actually, it should be appeared for 3 marks. Many of us argued about it. Actually, sir, you ask it for 3 marks. Right? Okay. Let us move on to the next one. Next question. Okay. Okay. Prove that, 22nd question. Prove that 5 minus root 2 is an irrational number. Most commonly asked question. As usual, assume that 5 minus root 2 is a rational number. For writing this, you will get half marks. 5 minus root 2 is a rational number, and rearranging. Write it as A by B. A and B are co-prime. B is not equal to 0. That is the condition. And take, be careful, be careful. See here. Minus 2 is taken to the right. I will show you clearly here. Many students do mistake while transposing. This is called as a transformation. You take a minus root 2 to the right, A by B to the left. What do you get here? Plus A by B becomes what? Minus A by B. And minus root 2 when crosses the equality sign becomes what? Plus root 2. Now again take LCM. I have seen many students do repeatedly same mistake. Take LCM. And you will get here 5b minus a is equal to what? Root 2. You will get here 5b minus a. Left hand side is the irrational number. 5b minus a upon b is the rational number. For writing this step, you will get half mark. Right? and remaining half mark will be returned, but rational number cannot be equal to irrational number, so this is impossible. So our assumption is wrong. 5 minus root 2 is irrational. If you do not explain this conclusion, you will lose the half marks. Be careful, write it and get the full marks. Let us move on to the next question. Move on to the next question. Question number 27. Now let us move on to the pair of linear equation. Question number 23. 21 we solved. Okay. Move on to the 22. 22 we discussed. Move on to the 23. Solve the given pair of linear equation using suitable method. Very easy questions will be asked here. Eliminating y by adding two equations and finding the value of x. 2x plus y is equal to 8, 3x minus y is equal to 7 is the given equation. Observe carefully. First of all, we have to eliminate one of the variables. That is called as elimination. Y is common here. Here there is plus, minus. You need not subtract it. Just add them. Y cancels. 2x plus 3x will be 5x. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now you take 5 to the right, becomes 15 upon 5. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Then you get x is equal to 3. For getting x is equal to 3, you will get 1 marks. Now finding y. Substitute the value of x is equal to 3 in equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 8 is the equation. Put the value of x as 3. You will get 2 3s are 6 plus y is equal to 8. Take 6 to the right. Plus 6 when transposed to the right hand side becomes minus 6. Observe this carefully. Many of you in a hurry will do mistakes. 8 minus 6 is 2. Therefore solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. You will get a full marks for doing this. Move on to the question number 24. Solve the given pair of linear equations by elimination method. Again similar type. This time you observe x and x are identical. You have to make the coefficient of x or y same. Already they are given as x and x same. This time by adding the work will not be done. Therefore you have to subtract it. While subtracting, observe carefully. Here it is having sign. Minus into plus becomes what? A minus sign. Minus into plus becomes a minus sign. Minus into plus 6 becomes a minus 6. You have to subtract now. X minus x cancels. Many students do mistake here. 2y. Now it is no more plus y. It is minus y. 2y minus y becomes y. 10 minus 6. Many of you add it. You will not change the sign. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then y becomes 4. For writing this, you will get half mark. Half mark. Totally you will get 1 mark. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 2. X plus y is 6. Y you got it as 4. Carefully take 4 to the right. Plus 4 when becomes to the right. Crosses equality sign becomes a minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. The value of x is 2. Y is 4. For writing the solution, you will get full marks. Move on to the next one. Solve the given pair of linear equations. 3x minus y is equal to 15. 2x minus y is equal to 5. No, see, again you observe, they have given ready-made, y already identical. You need not make any identical things. So minus y cannot be cancelled. Therefore, you are changing the sign here. If there is plus here, put a minus here. If there are minus, put a plus. If there is plus, put a minus. Minus y plus y cancels. 3x minus 2x becomes x. 15 minus 5 becomes 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. For this, you will get 1 mark. Finding x by substituting the value of x by substituting x value, y value. Finding y by putting the x value in equation number 2. 2x minus y is equal to 5. So x value got it as 10. Put x 20 minus y is equal to 5. And 20 minus y is 5. Observe here. You have to take this minus y to the right. What it becomes? Plus y. I will show you. Okay. 20 is equal to 5 plus y. Then take 5 to the left. What do you get? 20 minus 5 is equal to what? Y. Therefore, y can be written as 20 minus 5. Observe the transformations. Many students are poor in this, particularly those who are scoring 7 or less than 7 in mathematics FAs. They will do such mistakes and lose marks. 20 minus 5 is 15. Therefore, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15. Accuracy is very important. Okay? Okay, fine. Next, move on to finding nth term of an EP for 2 marks. Question number 26. And the problem is, in an arithmetic progression, if S20 is equal to 820, A20 is equal to 79, find its first term. First of all, you recall the formula, very, very important. What is the nth term of an AP formula? A plus n minus 1 into D, you need in your mind. For Sn, you have two formulae, 1 by 2 into bracket A plus an or last term. And another formula is, if the last term is not given, then you have to use the formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These formulae, first of all, you have to keep in your mind, very, very important. In these problems, very important thing are these three formulae. First of all, what you are given, you have to collecting data, you will get half marks. S20 is equal to 820, A20 is equal to 79, and n is equal to 20. For writing the correct formula, see, nth term is already given, an is given. Then when an is given, don't go for the second formula, go for the, third formula, go for the first formula. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. If you write, you will get half marks. Don't waste the time unnecessarily. Substituting the value 820, 20 upon 2 into bracket a plus, what is the 20th term is the last term. Last term means an. You substitute an is equal to 79. Now cancel this, 2 ones are, 2 tens are. You are left with the 10 into bracket, a plus 79. Take a 10 to the left, you get what? 820 divided by 10 is equal to a plus 79. Cancel 0, 0. Are you getting me? And then you get 82. For this, you will get half mark. Then simplification, 82 is equal to a plus 79. Be careful. You take 79 to the left. When you take 79 to the left, don't misplace it. Put 82 as it is. Take 79 to the left. A will be here. And A you get 82 minus 79 is 3. Correct answer is 3. In simplification, many of you do mistakes. Be careful. Either you can solve this or you can solve. A choice will be given for this problem. 2-mark question. Observe. How many numbers between 201, 401 are divisible by 6? Let us see that problem. And how many numbers between 201 and 401? You have to divide by 6. For divisibility of a number by 6, that number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 202. Not divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. 203. Not divisible by. Therefore, the first number which is divisible by 6 will be, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then it will be divisible by 204. Divisible by 2 also, 3 also. Because 4 plus 2 is 6. You have to start from 204. Then go on adding 6 because it is the table of 6. Divisible by 6 means table of 6. 204 plus 6, 210. 210 plus 6, 216. And 401. Last number is 401. Is 401 divisible by both 2 and 3? No. If you take 400, is it divisible by 2 and 3? No. Divisible by 2 but not 3. You then go for 498. 9 plus 4, 12 plus 9. 17, 31, not divisible by 3 but divisible by 4. Therefore, 497, not divisible. 11 plus 7, 18, not divisible by 2. Therefore, you have to take the last number as 496. See, divisible by both 2 and 3. Observe, last digit, if it is even number, divisible by 2. And sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Observe, 9 plus 6 is 15. 15. 398, 397, 396, 396. 396 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Last digit is even number, divisible by 2. Therefore, last number will be 396. Collect the data. A is 204. Common difference D is second term minus first term is 6. Nth term, that is last term, is 396. You are asked to get n. For collecting this data, you will get half mark. For using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you are just asked to n. Therefore, use what is the nth term is 396. A is 204. N minus 1 into 6. Take a 204 to the left, becomes what? 396 minus 204. Subtract it. 396 minus 204. Neatly you do this. Don't make any hurry. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 is as it is. 3 minus 2 is 1. You are getting 192. Correct answer. Then you take 6 to the left. 6 to the left. Because into, if it is there, if it comes to the left, becomes divisible. That is 196 upon 6 is equal to n minus 1. Right? And you can divide it. Now, can you divide it? 6 divided by 6. 192 divided by 6. 2 3s are 6. Look at here. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. What do you get here? You will get the answer. Clear? 98 upon 3 is equal to n minus 1. I think there is a mistake here. 192. 6 3s are 18. 18. 6 2 is 92. It will cancel. It is 192. Sorry. 192. It will be 32. N minus 1 is equal to 32. You will get what? Take minus 1 to the left. You will get 32 plus 1 is 33. For getting 33, you will get full marks. Is that clear, my dear students? Okay. Understood here? That is 192. I have miswritten it. Divided by 6. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. Left with 1. 6 2s are 12. Therefore 32. Take a minus 1 to the left. When minus 1 comes to that, becomes plus 1, 33. Be careful and solve, and you will get the full marks. That's all in this session, my dear students. Soon I will come with the next topic. Before taking the next topic, whatever questions in these topics appeared in our both the preparatory exams, I will discuss first. Then I will continue with the next. Soon I will come with the next interesting facts. Subscribe the channel and circulate among your friends and let it go to those students particularly who are poor, not scoring good number of marks in preparatory. You repeatedly watch these videos, you will understand better, and how the marks distribution, marking scheme you must understand correctly. Therefore, I am preparing this video. Soon I will come with the study. Don't have fear. We are here to support you till you go to examination hall. Don't worry. Be confident. Keep your body and mind fit. Do regular exercise. Do prayer. Right? Soon I will come. Till then, bye-bye. See you.